Hi. In simpliRP ERP, it's very simple to change the description of an item master. In the list of items we can see few items do not have description. Now please go to Material Management, edit an item master. Go to, click here to bulk update of description to items. Enter few letters of the item to be changed. The items will appear. Just enter the new description. Then press Tab. That's it. It will change the description of that item. Go to Item List and refresh the page. See how simple it is to change the description. simpliRP ERP is the easiest way for material management. Thank you.